And I'm Ben Hill. Of course, our Storm 5 team of meteorologists on top of everything you need to know as far as especially how it'll impact us here in Middle Tennessee in Southern Kentucky. So it sounds like today okay, but I know Friday Night Football and weekend plans, people are watching closely.
I mean, truly, a lot of plans are going to be changed, altered, or even potentially delayed for another week because of the wind and the rain on the way.
Yeah, and one of the things you'll want to do with some of the high schools out there, check with the high school or go to some of the websites to see if they've been moved. I do know some, not all, but some games have been moved to tonight to get ahead of this.
Smart.
Which is a very smart move because, I mean, a lot of times we think, well, this is down in the Gulf. What does this have to do with us? But this system is anticipated to be so strong and fast that it's going to hold on to some of its potential severe threats.
Yeah, it's not rare that we get a storm that's still tropical storm status in the state, but it does happen from time to time. This may be one of those cases.
Hands down. Here's a live look at Helene as we speak, currently coming in as a Category 1 hurricane, winds 90 miles per hour, forward motion north-northeast right at 12. So we still have a lot of time in these warm waters, and that is basically what is going to intensify the system, potentially making landfall as a 3 or even 4 hurricane. So for us, once it does make landfall, you're still talking a Cat 1 in parts of Georgia. So it's got to really slow its speed and then really start to relax those winds. But it happens so fast and furious that we're still looking at intense wind speeds and rain as we make our way throughout all of Friday and even parts of our Saturday. So when it comes to the tropical warnings and watches, we're not under that. Those are going to be areas in the front right quadrant of the storm. We're on the front left, which is helpful, but it still doesn't keep us from potential severe weather. That is why a flood watch is going to be with us starting at 7 o'clock tonight, continuing till Saturday at 7 a.m. Not only do we have the rain, we've got the wind. Winds will be sustained into the teens and 20s, but gusting all night tonight and throughout our Friday into the 30s and even 40s at times. And even as we make our way into Saturday, we're still dealing with gusts in those 20s and 30s. Today, though, very easy start. Even some sunshine out there. 75 degrees at lunchtime. After lunch, we're going to be in the mid to upper 70s, west of I-65, east of I-65. A little cooler than that because those clouds start to move in a little sooner for you. So what's the exact time frame for your neighborhood? Leila and I will have those details right after this.